Stock market magic here. So if you are a beginner and don't know what stock to buy, this is probably my number one beginner stock I would recommend investing in, and this is Coca Cola. Now, Coca Cola currently is trading for about $48 per share. I actually have 20 shares of it right now. My average prices are right around $40. And if we look down here, we can see the 52-week high was at about $60, and the 52-week low was right about $36. So right now it's trading right in the middle about there. And the dividend yield right now, if you buy it at $48, is 3.482. So I like this stock because it's a pretty safe play overall. Coca-Cola has been in business for many, many years, and they've been paying their dividends for many, many years. They're what's known as a Dividend Aristocrat, which means their dividend has been increasing every year. And what they do is every quarter you will get a dividend based on how many shares you own. It's usually around, like, let's say 50 cents per share, somewhere in that mark. So if you had one share, every quarter you would get 50 cents for a total of $2 at the end of the year. If you had, let's say, 10 shares, you'd get $5 every quarter. So you'd have $50 at the end of the year. And it's just a relatively safe stock. It doesn't have the highest dividend yield out there, but it's a very non-risky stock. So I definitely recommend it for beginners. And if you're new to investing, you can sign up below using my link, and you'll get a free bonus stock. And this is for using Robinhood. This is a stock market broker app. It's free to use, and there's no commission for buying or selling stocks. So hope this helps out.